Classical liberalism is the expression of liberalism that developed predominantly in the 18th century as a response to the autocratic rule of monarchies, and is very much tied up in the ideas of the Enlightenment. Classical liberalism focuses on the paramount goal of protecting people's individual rights. Philosopher John Locke's idea that the government should be solely responsible for protecting people's life, liberty, and property is core to the ideas of classical liberalism, as is the harm principle of John Stuart Mill, the idea that government should only step in to prevent harm to individuals. Based on these ideas, classical liberalism believes that people should live their lives as they choose, and there shouldn't necessarily be laws to govern things like same-sex marriage or gun control. In the modern North American ideological landscape, classical liberalism would best align with something like libertarianism. If you learned something today, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again next time.